150 kilowatts of solar power, a 240 kilowatt DC charger, a 522 kilowatt-hour energy storage system, and one clear goal: 0 kilowatt-hours from the grid. We've just made this a reality in Jedlanka, near Radom. 2 Livoltek BESS units running on the HXEM100 management system. Liquid cooling keeps temperatures perfectly stable, even under full peak loads at the charging station. This directly translates to longer life and rock-solid reliability for the entire system. Round-trip efficiency? 90% or more. Ready to run just a few hours after delivery. Cutting EV charging costs here is a fact, not a forecast. Solar energy goes straight into storage and is fed to the charger exactly when it's needed. No peak power fees, no expensive tariffs, 0 emissions. Safety is locked down by a 3-layer protection system: cell-level BMS, module management, and an overarching EMS. All in one pre-configured factory-ready unit. The system grows with your project. Scalability goes from 261 kilowatt-hours up to 2.6 megawatt-hours without changing the architecture. Your solar setup can do the exact same thing. Order your free techno-economic analysis today and check the true potential of your project.